I'm Mimi and welcome to my channel. And for today's vlog, we're gonna be unboxing. Yes, we're gonna be unboxing my mother's gift from Sherwin, Ivan, and Kay. So, without further ado, let's open this Pandora's jewelry. And I would like to say Happy Mother's Day to everyone, to all the moms there, to my mom especially, and to my mother-in-law. Happy Mother's Day and may God bless you more. So, without further ado, let's open up the jewelries. Alright, so first box, Pandora's box. So, today, May 8th, Mother's Day, Pandora will have their Mother's Day deals and discounts. So, of course, we availed that. And Sherwin bought jewelries for me from Pandora. Alright, so let's see. This first box is, tada! Oh, diba? Ganda ng packaging. Packaging is so awesome. And tada! And, ayaw makuha. O, diba? Tada! Alright. It's a bangle. Ayan. So, first, bangle. Alright. So, and there's a heart charm. This is the lock. And you can open it. How to wear it. So, you have to open the lock. Right? And do like that. And put your hand in there. O, diba? Ayan na siya. And lock it. Okay. Let's lock this one. Okay. And there. So, there we go. Bangle. Ayan, may heart charm. Baliktad lang kasi nakaganyan kamay ko. But really, it's a heart like that. Alright? Ayan. And there's also prints on it. Engraved. Okay, it says, forever and never and never and never. Ayan. And meron siyang, there are small rhinestones. Ayan. Dun sa heart in the middle. So, thank you so much, Dudong and kids. Alright. And, of course, that's not one. But, there's more. Two. Yes, there's two. Let's open this one. Ta-da! Whoop! Alright. So, what's in here? Wow! Look at that. Another bracelet with charms. And, heart again, guys. So, heart again. So, this one have two things in there. So, there's one with heart with rose gold color. And there's a silver one on the back. Excuse me. Excuse me. Atching na naman. And it has prints in it and says, you are the heart of our family. O, diba? You are the heart of our family. This is the print on the other charm. Ayan. Mamaya, i-blow up ko yung blow up. Ayan. So, this one. So, meron din siyang small stone there. Alright. So, let's try to put this on. Okay. So, the trick is push it down. Alright. And then, release. Okay. Put it on. Tingnan natin kung malagay ko mag-isa. I think I need help putting this on. But anyway, let's try our luck. Right? So there it is. So I have to push it down a little bit. Okay, let's try my luck. Okay. Alright, let's try it. Aha! Hindi pa siya ganun kadali. I thought that's easy to put it on, guys. But it's not that easy because someone have to push this down like that. Okay, hindi siya ganun kadali. Okay, let me do this here, down here. Ang hirap pala niya ilagay. So, pag mag-isa, kailangan merong tutulong. Yeah, someone, Dodong should put this on me. Okay, so let's see if I can put it on myself. Okay. I put it on myself. Wow, struggle, but there it is. Alright. And again, here's the charm. Alright, there. Ayan, dalawang charm niya dito. Ayan. Oh, awesome! Ayan, di ba? Pretty nice. Really, really nice, guys. Ayan. Oh, ayan, oh. Oh, di ba? Yay! Full of hearts. Love, love, love. Full of love, 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 love. O, diba? Happy Mother's Day. And, wait lang. There's more! There's more! Tada! Let's see what's in here. In a small packet. Ha! Alright, let's open it. Tada! Okay, there's more. What's in here? And, tada! It's a charm. Another heart charm. Ayan, another heart charm. And it says mom. Alright, so mom. Ayan. Mom, I hope nakikita nyo. And at the back, it says love. Oh, mom's love, right? Mom's love, the mom's love. And this is one of the newest charm of Pandora. It's a Minnie Mouse. Oo, ayan, may Minnie Mouse dito sa ilalim, as you can see. And the bow, yan, this is Minnie Mouse. Yan, signature Minnie Mouse. And the bow of Minnie Mouse, o yeah, ayan, nakikita nyo ba? Hirap i-focus. But yeah, so let's try putting this on, maybe on this one, on the bangle. So I'll have two charms here. Again, just open it and twist it a little bit to unlock it there. And let's put the charm. Pwede naman tanggalin, di ba? So, tanggalin ko muna. Alright. And there, let's put the charm. I want the love in the front. Or mom in the front. Ayan. Tapos, lagay natin yung bangle. And lock it again. There. Ayan. There we go. So, the mom is in the front. Ayan. Sabi niya, mom. Sana ba? There we go. Kita niyo ba? Ayan. Ma'am. O, diba? Mom and love. Alright? So, yun guys. Thank you so much for joining me. And I just want to say, Happy Mother's Day again to everyone. God bless us all and enjoy this very special day for all the moms out there. Bye! Enjoy! Mwah!
I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up,